Pere. You are my neighbor. I live around the corner. Yeah. Wow.
They have different taste than guava, of course.
Nice. Not ready yet. I can feel it.
Yes.
Ape amma remind me. Remind me ape amma. Welcome to vlog. අසල්වැසියාට ප්‍රේම කිරීම. තමන් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මම කමෙන්ට් දකිනවා අපි දැන් අල්ලපු ගෙවල් වලින් එහෙම පළතුරේම කඩා ගන්නකොට අපි කමෙන්ට් වල මම දැකලා තිනා මේ මිනිස්සු මොනවද කියන්නේ නැද්ද කියලා. මම පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ මිනිස්සුන් ඉල්ලනකොට අපිට හම්බ වෙන දේවල්. අසල්වැසියා එන කයින් ඇමරිකාවේ. හරිද? මේ බලන්න ලස්සන. මේ ඇවිල්ලා ෆෝල් එක. ෆෝල් එක කියන්නේ කොළ වැටෙන කාලේ ගස්වල වින්ටර් සමර් ෆෝල්. මේ ෆෝල් එකේ තමයි අපි ඉන්නේ දැන්. එතකොට මේ ෆෝල් එකේ ලස්සන දවසක්. Hi, how are you? Guava, huh? Guava. How to say in Spanish? Guayaba. Guayaba. Pere. Can I get this one? Thank you. Asalas, you are my neighbor. I live around the corner. Yeah. Wow. Muchas gracias. I love it. Very good. Thank you, Acha Malapu Gedara. Chiquita pero bueno, yeah. Chiquita muy bueno mean like a very small but tasty. I see you, okay? Muchas gracias. Buenas noches. Oh, thank you. Very good. See? Wow. Really? Wow. For the coughing. Thank you. Dakar. Asalasia. Thank you, Asalasia. My neighbor. මම පෙන්නන්නේ මේක හරිද දැන් අසල්වැසියෝන්ගෙන් ඕන දෙයක් කඩා ගන්න පුළුවන් කිසි අවුලක් නැහැ ඇහුවොත් එම අහන්න නැත්තේ ඇහුවොත් එම ඔක්කොම ගහම කඩන් යන්න කියනවා ඒ කරදරයක් නෑ අපිට වැඩ නැතුව කරන්නේ දැන් මේකෙන් දෙලුංගි දෙයක් කඩාට කිසිම අවුලක් නැහැ මේ තියෙන්නේ දැක්කනේ දැන් අපි කෙලිම අසල්වැසියෙක් ගියතොල් ගිහලා ඉල්ල මොකද කියන්නේ බලන්න හරිද let's go inside check this is not my backyard. This is not my backyard. This is someone else's backyard. In my backyard, there are lot of fruits here. Guava, perakai. In English, guava. In Tamil, perakai. In Sinhala, pera. California, guava. Wow. Is that a record?
Yeah, sure, you can record.
So good.
You can record.
California,
yes. This is a guava tree.
Yeah.
From the bottom you cannot see it. But you have to look. Can you see up there? Now this is a picker.
How you pick?
Not tangle.
Too many guava. In Sri Lanka we call it pera. You know how we call in Sri Lanka? Pera. Pera.
It's like a pera.
Yeah, pera.
Now I'm going to give it to you, so you're going to pick it up.
Okay.
Like this is how you do it. And you put inside like this. And you pull it. See?
Wow.
This is the best pear that you ever ate. You just rub on you, just like this.
This
Or
it.
Yes, you bite this part. You give it to the tree, and then the rest you.
Really? Why you do that?
It's will be fertilizer back to the tree. Inside is red.
Wow.
And it's very tasty.
Yeah.
I think it will be good to plant a new tree. If you take just a little piece of seeds, from the seeds you just throw
Wow.
it. It grows.
So tasty.
It is tasty and delicious it is. And it's very healthy for you.
Yeah.
So I hope you'll have a place that you can plant or buy it. You can make marmalade, you can make jam.
Yeah.
You can make juice.
Even just like this is good without anything. Yeah.
Just like this, I eat every day. This keeps you very good and healthy. Now I'm going to give this to Perry and
Perry, no, I'm not Pri.
I'm not Pri. So he's going to pick up the fruit. Here we go.
Pri going to pick up the tree. So just push it like this? Oh, this. Maybe I'm going to make damage.
Let me show you.
No, you do it. I just check.
Did
I don't
you
want to
see
make.
the nails?
Okay.
The fruit comes here and then it holds it and then you pull it, just like the way I would do it.
Okay.
Sometimes it's hard to get because it's too many branch. Hello, wait, let me see, I can see. I'm too close.
I hold it.
Okay, there you go. See, you just do this and you pull it.
Wow, it's easy, huh?
It is easy. It's very, very easy. There you go. This is how you do. Like I said, you pick them up. You make sure that they are yellow color.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a little green. It is. The green, what you do, you just make the salad.
Salad.
Asian people, they cut it and they put lemon on it. See?
Oh, it's stick
Very
this.
sensitive. They
Very sensitive, perakai. I love this one. Wow. You can text me anytime. I can come and take it. When you have it.
People are coming, everybody's coming. We have so many. My mom, she loves to make a jam, marmalade with it.
You're so kind. Thank you so much.
Oh,
You know, you can buy this quality in the market. You can buy this.
You know what? Even if there is, it won't be the same taste.
Yeah.
Because
Always chemical.
from the tree is good, organic. And I have another kind here. Yellow. I want you to taste this. This is really
Wow.
good. This one is yellow color. Taste them. Inside is yellow color.
How come? The same tree
No.
or the different tree?
There are two trees,
Wow.
but they become one.
Make a mara.
Because they are together, they just join together, and that's what.
Make a mara. This is a different kind of taste. It's like pears.
Exactly. Every day, I have to pick and enjoy them. See, they grow like an apple, good size.
Hmm.
It's a little too hard to pick sometimes because there is too many branches.
Check this. Check this. It's almost look like apple.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, look like a pear or apple.
Even though it has a lot of very strong smell, but it's very delicious. Some people
No.
they like it, some
It
people
smells good. It's not bad.
it is pretty smelly.
Yeah.
Some people they like it more, some people some people they like the smell, some they don't.
Can I see apple? Can I see apple?
Apple, you can see the apple.
I never seen apple tree real life.
You never seen apple?
No, apple tree. Like
No? Okay, be careful from the thing. Don't
you know, last week I drive around here with Ron uncle. I grabbed one apple from your tree.
I'm gonna. I'm just kidding.
I know.
Don't put that word over there.
No, no,
You
no.
go, if you want to see it, go from here.
Okay. Oh, this is pomegranate, huh?
This is a pomegranate.
Yeah.
I put them in a plastic bag.
Because of the squirrel.
Squirrels, they eat
Lena.
them, so I have to protect. Otherwise, I have no.
No, there's one of my friend in Sri Lanka. I call him Lena. Squirrel. Squirrel. He's 14 now.
I have to put.
Wow. What is this?
This is a jujube tree.
Jujube. What is that?
You eat just the way it is, like this.
Wow.
It's like this is Korean. They call Asians apple.
Ah, I know that. I know that. Jujube. Can I try one?
Sure. It's
Wow.
very delicious.
It's like a dates.
It is. They have different taste than guava, of course.
Jujube tree. This is jujube. Is it olive? Huh? Make olive. Olive tree.
Olive tree.
Olive.
This is the apple tree.
Wow, beautiful. Cool.
As I have the apple.
Nice. Not ready yet, huh?
No. Well, it's getting ready. I
Yeah.
picked up, I ate, but the skin is hard.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it's gonna be soon. This is a Fuji apple, it is.
Fuji apple.
Now, don't hit your head.
So when you apple ready, you call me, okay? We come to pick apple.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat all my fruits.
What about this one? Oh wow.
This one is,
For protection?
no. This is a gourd. I made it on my video. I was painting, showing them. And for the birds, there was a time the birds came, but now they are gone. It's just hanging there. This is an orange tree.
Orange. Orange season coming soon, huh?
Huh?
Orange season coming.
It's season to grow.
Yeah.
You know, it's like still green until January, February.
This is persimmon.
This is a persimmon. The rock.
It's something very healthy, huh?
Oh, you see, the birds already bite with this thing.
Yeah. So this is very healthy item, huh?
It's you can if you want you can eat, if unless you're afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Okay, it's very delicious, sweet.
Oh wow!
You hold it like this so you don't get messed because it.
I can feel it.
Yes.
You're
not taping it. You have to tape how you're eating. So very delicious, huh?
Nothing compared to this one.
No.
Just
that's a different
unique
fruit. Every fruit it has its own taste.
Yeah.
And I planted because I don't want to cut grasses. I want to enjoy the fruits. That's what you have to do in your garden.
If I want to put like this in my backyard, what is your advice? Just put the plant, that's it?
Just put the plant and that's it.
Really?
You don't have to do nothing. Once a month, if it's small, once a week water it. If it's not, if it grows.
You just don't put anything, just no fertilizer, nothing, huh?
Nothing. Because I had my chickens over here.
The California great land.
I raised chickens. So the chickens since my kids they were little, now they are in their age of 30. My chickens they already poop and whatever. That was a good manure for the garden. Chicken manure is the best. Even I have a video, you can go check it, how to make homemade fertilizer with chicken manure.
Say your channel again. Inspired.
Become inspired. It's one word. Become inspired. There is no middle space. You go check it. I have 300 videos, and all my videos is teaching my ideas.
Yeah.
It's not
no copy. Unique ideas.
I cook. I do needle lace. I bake. I do construction work. I do everything in the channel. You will enjoy it. The plumbing, whatever you want, you can find over there. Put the become inspired one word. And you see a lot.
I will link to the video like last time. Yes. You get some result last time?
I think I got few people, yes.
Yeah.
They said they came from you.
Yeah, okay, that's great.
Yes. Please go check it, like it, and subscribe it.
All right.
And I'm going to thank you again.
Oh, cool, no problem. So this is mulberry or something, no?
Mulberry season is finished. This is the berries. This was the figs. It's gone because it's already winter. There are summer fruits.
Can I have one of this? Just one?
You cannot eat.
Okay, not ready.
It's not ready because your tongue, if it's not ready, you cannot eat because it dries your tongue.
Oh wow, really?
There's no taste in it.
Okay.
It has to be just like the way I give it.
Okay.
I'll give you when you come next time.
Sure. This is lemon, huh?
This is my lemon tree. And there is over there pomegranate tree still. It's
pomegranate, delum.
Yes, and then I have a sapote tree. Plum season is finished. The sapote, let me show you the grape.
What is sapote?
The grape is finished.
Oh, grape is finished? Oh my god. Oh yeah, I miss it.
This is the sapote. You can take a picture. There is a video.
Sapote?
Yes, this is a Mexican fruit they call. See over here, you can see.
Oh wow, sapote. I never heard that.
Yes, they are very, very tasty too. But this year, now the flowers are coming. And I don't know when it's going to be ready. So, and this is a passion fruit, if you know.
Passion fruit, I know, yeah. Yes. You know, this leaf you can make like a salad.
You can?
Yeah.
See, I learned something new that I didn't know. Now I will make a video myself. And
you search it first. I don't know how to make. My mom used to make it this.
And
I never try,
If it means you can eat, then it is. Look how big they grow.
Wow, beautiful. And this is first time I've seen this one in America.
Really?
Passion fruit, yeah.
You know what? Anything you plant, don't say it doesn't grow over here or over there. It'll grow if you like to work.
Yeah.
When you plant something, you have to like to do it.
Yeah.
If you just do as a duty, like, oh, I want to plant, so I can have, it doesn't grow.
You have to love it.
Your love.
Yeah.
I give to my customer curry leaf trees. I raise them and I give them every single year. Oh, can you raise me one? It died. Oh, died.
You have one for me?
You have now this one is asking me. I'll make it for you. I have plenty seeds.
Yeah.
I plant it. I'll raise it.
Hey, curly leaves, check this, carpincha.
Look how good it grows.
Beautiful. You know, this is the most I tried this one. Also, I take one leaf other day. I steal it too.
That's fine. You can steal it. It's okay. If you want to take, I can give you some.
Some, yeah, please.
So, but what I'm trying to say, they take it. I put them
This
in
is
the
the,
bucket.
you know, I want to tell you something. This is the most great smell. No, the smell is the great.
The smell
Better than any other one.
It's the best.
When I get
Video too that I show like 3 ways you can preserve curry leaf. How do you do it? You go check it. 3 ways how you can preserve, and you can have all around curry leaf with you. Just check my videos. You'll see it plenty.
become inspired. One
go
word.
on,
Become inspired.
Yes. This one even you can fry it just the way it is like this.
No,
It becomes
don't fry
like
it.
chips.
If you fry,
No, it become like a chips. But if you wanna fry it, you have to put in a jar with
Yeah.
oil, so it will become
you know,
ready paste.
the best thing how to do this one, you blend this one,
Yes,
you mix it with the rice and drink.
we do.
How you do
Sure.
this? You call it kolakanda.
Yes.
Kolakanda, I don't know how it's called in English.
Well, with the rice, when you say
What
like
is this?
inner rice, that's a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yes. It was growing so huge because it has so much shade. This year didn't give it to me, but otherwise they'll give very big and pink fruits.
Wow.
So it's very, very tasty.
You know, you can eat this one, huh?
That's a seed. I never tried
Yeah.
it. I never ate it.
You can eat, yeah.
It's not bitter.
No, a little bit, yeah.
Maybe a little bit. I don't know, but definitely I fry and I eat like a chips. I made a paste and I made different thing. I forgot, but it's in the YouTube. Actually, it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's like a grape.
Yeah,
See, I learned something new too. Now I can make another video.
yeah.
Just comparing it. They told me.
Where's your cat today?
Huh?
I don't see your cat.
My
Lazy
cat.
cat.
My cats are, one of them, he loves to sleep on the roof.
Yeah.
The other one, he goes to the neighbor. He steals some chickens and brings it. Little chicks. We make a barbecue. No, I'm just kidding.
Just kidding, yeah. What's up, homie? Yeah.
This one, she's adopted.
Adopted from who?
Yes. She's nervous a little bit. Anyway, that's all it is. Well, enjoy them.
Thank you. I get my guava back.
Where is your guava?
I didn't talk it.
Where is the bag?
Over there, I bring it. Sorry.
You forgot? No.
I keep talking with you, walking with you.
I remember.
මේක ඇමරිකන් බැක්යාඩ් එකක් මේ ඇමරිකන් ගෙදරක තියෙන බැක්යාඩ් එකක් මේක ජස්ට් මේක පොඩි බැක්යාඩ් එකක් හරි එකක් දැක්කොත් බය හිතේ මීට වැඩිය ගස් වර්ග මල් ගස් මේ පළතුරු ಜಾති 30,000 ගානක් දුගුණයක් තියෙනවා මේක very small backyard එකක් පොඩි එකක් she's coming you know අපේ අම්මා remind me අපේ අම්මා you know I tell you funny story her name is අපේ අම්මා